Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to convert USDT to GBP on Binance. To convert USDT to GBP on Binance, follow these steps. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Binance.com. Enter your credentials to log into your account. First option is to use the Binance Convert. Go to the trade menu here and select convert and block trade. After that, choose USDT as the from currency and GBP as a to currency, and use GBP as a to currency. Enter the amount of USDT you want to convert and click on preview conversion to see the current rate and fees, then confirm the transaction. Second option is to use spot trading. Go to the trade section and choose spot option. From here, search for USDT/GBP trading pair. Place a market order to instantly sell your USDT to GBP, or set a limit order at a preferred price. Ensure your Binance account is verified to trade or withdraw GBP. Check the exchange rate and transaction fee before confirming the conversion. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.